Welcome to the second day of Techmas. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to insert a hyperlink into a Google Doc. Inserting a hyperlink into a Google Doc is a clean and efficient way to link readers to a location on the web or to another Google Doc. The instructions in this video assume that you have already created a Google Doc. If you have questions about that, you can consult the video on my YouTube channel, or you can click the link in the written tutorial that will take you there as well. The first thing that you will need to do to link someone to another location is to obtain the web address. I'm going to show you how to do that on a Google Doc first and then on a website second. You can see that I have another Google Doc open. If I click the share button, I then have the ability to choose how I would like to share this document. If I click the down arrow, I want to give viewing privileges to anyone at Greencastle Community Schools. Once I have done that, I can click copy link. The link will say it is copied to the clipboard. It will look like nothing else has happened. However, if I go back to my original document and I want to link individuals to the prize list, I can simply highlight prize list. I can right click on that, select link. I can then use Control V on my keyboard or right click and paste, and I can click left click and apply, and the prize list will be linked. Similarly, if I would like to link to a website, if I want to link someone to the Greencastle Community Schools Weather STEM website, I just navigate to that website, I left click, drag, hold down, and highlight the entire web address, and then I right click on my mouse, select copy. I go back over to the document where I would like to link, and I highlight the text again. And this time I'm going to use the option up here to insert a link. And again, I'm going to press Control V. Notice the website appears right here in the link area. I click apply. And now any reader who has access to this document also has access to the 12 days of Techmas prize list, and they can click there and follow that link. Or they also have access to the Weather STEM site, and they can click there and follow that link. So this is a great way to create references within references. If you have any questions about this, please let me know.